Over 84,000 students have already enrolled in a highly sought-after AWS Cloud Solutions Architect certificate, and today you can join them. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we are going to discuss the AWS Cloud Solutions Architect Professional Certificate and how it can supercharge your career. The world is running on the cloud, and Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is at the forefront. Companies of all sizes, from tech startups to global enterprises, are desperately searching for skilled cloud architects to design and build their digital infrastructure. This is a field with incredible job stability, high demand, and the potential for a significant increase in your earning potential. Now, you might be thinking, how can I break into this field? This is where this program comes in. This course offers free enrollment, allowing you to access all the learning materials, including video lectures, readings, and exercises, without any cost. While the learning is free, obtaining the official certificate to showcase your skills may require a payment. But don't worry, financial aid options are also available. This program is your complete guide to becoming a certified AWS expert. You'll get hands-on experience and learn to master essential skills, including core cloud concepts, understand the fundamentals of cloud computing, AWS services, dive deep into key AWS services like Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, and Amazon VPC, architecting solutions. Learn how to design and build secure, high-performing, and cost-effective cloud solutions. Networking and security. Get a firm grasp on cloud networking and security best practices. Troubleshooting. Develop the skills to diagnose and solve common issues in a cloud environment. So, what's the benefit of the official certificate? A professional certificate like this validates your skills to employers. It proves you have the in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience to excel in a cloud architect role. It's a powerful addition to your resume and a perfect way to stand out on platforms like LinkedIn, putting you one step closer to your dream job. If you're ready to supercharge your cloud computing skills and begin your journey toward a lucrative career, we've provided a link to the course in our description. Click on the link today to enroll for free and start learning immediately. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com, where you'll find a wide selection of online courses on cloud computing and other topics, as well as free articles, video guides, career resources, and more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. We wish you the best of luck.